Hello my dear student, welcome you all in science class. Today we are going to learn about chapter 6 body movement. In this chapter we are going to learn about how the organism shows their movement. Okay, means their body is showing movement. So how they are going to show that movement, we are going to learn about it. So organisms are categorized in two categories. They are the plants and animals. So student, here the plants also shows their movement as well as animals also shows their movement. As you all know that as a cow and a dogs and so many animals in your surrounding, you can find that they are moving, they are shifting from one place to another place by walking, by running, and so many options. By so many things, they are going to show their movement, body movement, like they are going to turn their neck also, and their tail also. They are showing the movement. Likewise, student, do you know about the plants are also showing their movement? Plants are also showing their movement. So they are also showing movement towards what? They are not going to shift from one place to another place. वो एक प्लेस से दूसरे प्लेस पे शिफ्ट नहीं होते हैं, ना जा सकते हैं. They are fixed at one point, at one place. So how do they are going to show their movement? So they are showing their movement towards the sum of the stimuli factor. There are certain factor which shows the with the for means on the basis of that the plants are showing their movement. If we talk about the root part of the plant, the root part of the plant, root is moving towards the gravity of the earth. Root is moving towards the gravity of the earth, and this root is basically providing the supply of water to the plant. So water is being supplied with the help of root as it absorbs from the soil, and then only it is providing to the plant. So these roots are basically moving towards what? Towards the gravity. So this is showing the movement towards the gravity downward. Definitely. If we talk about the upper part of the plant, that shows the movement towards the sunlight. The upper part, the stem part of the plant is showing the movement towards the sun, towards the sunlight. You can do one of the experiment at your home. What you have to do is you have to take a pot. आप एक pot को ले, you have to plant a tree in it, a plant in it, a small sapling in it, and keep that sapling in your window, in your house window. As you're keeping that, or near the window, you can keep near the window also. As after some time, you're finding that the stem part which is growing in the pot, that is definitely moving towards the sunlight. That branch of that plant will be moving out of the window. As it is going out of the window, that shows that in search of sunlight, the plant is showing its movement. So I think it is clear to everyone. The leaves, the plants are also showing the movement towards the gravity, towards the sunlight, towards the stimulus factor, towards the sensitivity factor. Plants are sensitized towards the sunlight. Without sunlight, they are unable to synthesize their own food. So definitely they are also showing the movement. Here you can see about the animals also, and animals definitely they are also showing the movement. Like if we talk about the cow, dog, cats, these animals easily you can find in your surrounding, and these animals are in the surrounding. Definitely they are moving from one place to another place. Just like I am also the human being. As I am the human being, all the human beings are going to move from one place to another place. But just imagine how we are able to move from one place to another place. Just imagine if you don't have the joints present here in the body. These are the joints which allow the movement to the body. If these joints are not there in the body, how you are going to shift from one place to another place? So definitely, student, in this chapter we have to learn about the skeleton system, or the different joints which are helping in the movement of that organism. So we have to learn about the human skeleton system in this chapter, and what are the things which makes that skeleton, the whole body, to shift from one place to another place. So definitely in our whole body, muscles and bones are the movement of muscles and movement of bones are helping to or allow to the movement of the body. So student, we are going to learn about all such kind of thing in this chapter. This is the introductory part, and few things we'll be learning later in the next video. Thank you and